Hello friends, very good morning. I welcome you all to my YouTube channel. And in today's presentation, we are having a pentagonal lamina of side 30 millimeter, which is supposed to touch the vertical plane by one of the sides, and the corner opposite to that should touch the HP. So, the question for today's session reads like this. A pentagonal lamina of side 30 touches VP by one of its sides at a distance of 20 from XY it should be at a distance of 20 while the opposite corner touches HP. The opposite corner, opposite to that side, is touching HP. Is asking you to draw the projections of the lamina and find out what angle the surface of the lamina makes with HP and VP. Friends, in this question, we will have the solution using the side view method. Friends, here, since the lamina has to rest on one of the sides, I place the lamina on VP such that one of the sides of that lamina, or the total surface of the lamina is on HP, on VP, sorry, and one of the corners of that is opposite to that side, is touching HP, and obtain the front view, a regular pentagon of side 30 side view on x1, y1, a line of this height which I show as M, and in the top view, I get this maximum width, another line on xy. Friends, let us start with the projection of the pentagon first. So friends, I am going to draw a pentagon to the given size. So the size given here is 30 So I will construct a regular pentagon of side is equal to 30 with the corner touching xy, because finally it has to be on the xy. So friends, I am going to get the top view. When you see from the top view, for any lamina resting on VP, it is going to be a line on xy. So I am going to get a line here. This is the line, the top view of this lamina, and we are going to draw x1, y1, the line of intersection of VP and HP, VP and the right profile plane, and obtain this side view on that. So friends, this is how we get the front view, top view and side view of this lamina which is on VP. Now he says in the question that the side which is touching VP is at a distance of 20 millimeter from HP. Friends, I am going to draw a horizontal line parallel to XY at a distance of 20 millimeter above it. So that is the final position of this side which is on VP. Friends, now I will call this distance, that side view distance, as M. M is the total vertical height of this, or the end view length. Friends, now what I do, I take this point as the center. Now this point is fixed now, that is this side whichever is on VP has to come and lie at a height of 20 millimeter. So friends, I take this as the center and distance is equal to M. I strike an arc. So friends, this if you join, the line will represent the final side view of this lamina, and this is going to be the final end view. So immediately you can measure what is the angle made by the surface with HP and that with VP. We call it as phi, and this is going to be 90 degree because the xy and x1, y1 are normal to each other. Friends, I have got these values now. Let us see how to get the corresponding front view. Now friend, this edge which was on the wall has moved down to this side of 20 mm. So friends, I'll write a vertical line from there till here, another vertical line. So this is going to be the final front view of that edge which is on VP. So I've just joined by line. Friends, now these two sides. So on this line, I'm going to mark this height somewhere here. So I'm going to get the other 2 points. Like this is one point, this is the other point. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4. Finally, I should get this point. So this point will be here only. Now friends, we have got the final front view by joining this point. So I'm going to join this to this to this, and again finally this will be the final front view. So this distorted hexagon will give you the final front view, and if I mark it as A dash, B dash, C dash, this is D dash, which is on HP, and this point is E dash. So from this I can mark what is this end view. Now this is going to be A double dash, B double dash, the side which is on VP at a height of so much, and this is going to be C dash, E dash, and this point is going to be D double dash. For the end view we show by double line. So this is going to be the final side view, this is going to be the final front view, and these two angles will give you the angle made by the surface with the HP and with this VP. And friends, remember this theta plus phi is always equal to 90 degree. So if you know this phi, you can find out theta and vice versa. Friends, you have got the front view, we have got the projection, that is end view. Finally, we need to get how it looks in the top view. So whenever you have got two views, front view and end view, you can easily get the top view. Friend, this is how I draw. I draw a 45-degree line here. Get all these points one by one. Suppose if you want to get this point D, write a vertical line from D, a horizontal line from here. So this is D, a vertical line from there. It will give you the point of intersection as the point D. Then C and E, get these two vertical line from CE, horizontal line from here. So C lies below this, and this point E lies below this, and the point of intersection of these two. So I've got D, one is C. So I'll call this as C, and this point as E. Finally, I should get A and B. Friends, point A and B are here. So below this A, dash you get A. Below this B, you get B. Friends, join all these points by straight line. So I am going to join A to B, B to C, C to D, D to E, E to A. So this pentagon, which is distorted in shape, will give you final top view of the lamina. This A dash, B dash, C dash, D dash, E dash will give you the final front view, and this A double dash, B double dash, C double dash, E double dash, and D double dash will give you the end view, that is the left end view of the lamina, and theta and phi will give you the angle made by the surface of the lamina with HP and VP. Friends, I hope the presentation was useful to you, and if you feel that it is going to be of some benefit to engineering students, please share this information with all your friends and have a nice day.